form provided by Uniassist. So this is the basic form which all of us have to fill up before applying to any university from Uniassist. So we have to fill up the personal details over here in this form. So as you can see, here it's written persönliche Daten, which means personal information. So Geschlecht is the gender, like male or female. It's written here männlich or weiblich. Then it's written Vornamen, Nachnamen, that is first name and last name. But I would say there's an option Sprache. So you have to click over here and turn this page into English. So now it's easy for us. So first we'll click on here, then select the gender and click on male. Okay. Then first name I'll write over here as Gufran. Then in the surname part, I'll write surname S-A-Y-Y-A-D. Then you don't have to write this. It's okay to leave this blank. In the birth name, if you want to write, you can write, but it's not compulsory. You can leave that blank. I'll write here Gufran. Okay. Then in date of birth, you can select it from here. Select your birth year from here. So like this, you can select it from here. Click on this part and here we go. So click on 1997, then May, and then okay. So you have entered date of birth, then place of birth, it's click NASHIK, then nationality, which is Indian. IT is India. So just see once again, like have you filled the information correctly or not. Okay. So after this, there's option like stateless, have come to Germany as a refugee. You don't have to take any of here and forward. After this option, so what you have to do is your contact information. So in contact information, you have to write the contact information over here. Then street name, you can fill out the street name, your address, then your postal code thing over here. Just write whatever is your postal code over here, then province, okay, and then country. So and then we will forward the application further. So I'll fill out these things and forward it. Okay, so just it's all about the contact information. You have to write this applicant name. You have to write your name over here, and in street name fill out the address. Also there is additional information for postal code, region. So fill this information according to your region and country, and we'll forward it from here. I'll just show you if this goes forward. Okay. I've filled out the information for you all, and yeah, I've written my name. I've just written a random street name or random address over here. The postal code, which is also I've written random, but you should write your own, like verified information should be filled in these blanks. Okay, so yeah, I've written the city, that is the proper thing I've done, and the country over here. So after that you have to click on forward. Yes. So here's an additional information you should look at is other information. Do you already have a Uniassist applicant number? Please enter it here, or Uniassist. Now why it's displaying over here is this is the new portal, that is MyAssist. Earlier it was Uniassist, or like it was called Uniassist, but now it's MyAssist portal. So if you have the earlier number from that portal, you can put over here and check it out. Then it's written, are you married to a citizen of European Union? Yeah, obviously no. Yeah. So in this portion it's written, in which language would you like to be contacted? So we'll right over here, select English. Okay, so it's written over here only for DOSV courses, VID applicant via Hochschul's Art the day. So we don't have to put anything over here, right? Next, we have to click over here and we have to send the applicant application information. So yes, we are completed with the application information. So first steps, welcome to Uniassist and thank you for logging. Okay, so yes, most of the things have been, I wouldn't say most of the things, but yeah, some part of the Uniassist application is completed.